Sometimes you wake up with stress and the drive to make it in life, but the key is to keep pushing. That's what I'm doing because in today's weekly trade breakdown, I want to show you my weekly setups, what I missed, my lessons, my learnings, and all you need to know about my week.
So now this is the setup. You can see very clean setups. Let me do the trade breakdown for you guys now. So firstly, looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that price broke structure at this point. Meaning on the 4-hour, we are heavily bullish at this point. Also, you can see from here, we left bits of imbalance. Very clean imbalances. Okay, you can see it. Price tapped it easily. So as you can see, price tapped the imbalance. This one failed. You get it failed. Well, this one didn't fail. So price tap it, then start pushing higher. So like this, our bias is to go bullish. So what I saw now, if 15 minutes give me my confirmation, I will take the trade because 15 minutes is my medium time frame where everything will be in check. Like that's where I will look to execute my analysis to go to the 1 minute. So now in the 15 minutes, now this price action here confused me because there was a imbalance here, as you can see. This is an imbalance from this point. This is a very clean imbalance. But as you can see, this week mitigated. See, I'm leaning to intuitive trading nowadays. And then look at this imbalance here, which is very clean. And you can see price mitigated it cleanly and gave me 3 clean setups. You can see. So when I saw the demand zone in 15 minutes, I was like, nice. But because of the lecture and test I was having on that day, which is on Tuesday, I didn't take the setups at all. The lecture just with me. It didn't tell me, but it is what it is. We look to execute, not perfection. So now I've learned from this, and next week we go stronger. Yes, the year is coming to an end, but normal we can still make something. Yes. So now the 1 minute time frame. So this is one of the reasons I saw the 15 minute imbalance as invalid. You get, as you can see here, price this imbalance price push lower, closing below the imbalance with a body like clean body on the 1 minute. So for me, it's invalid. You get. So what now happened was that I saw that 1 minute was bullish, like heavily bullish. You can see higher low, higher low, higher low. So my goal was that as this demand zone was created, let me look for a tap into the zone. But first, we need to go bearish for that. So from here, price shifted bearish from this point. This is my bearish shift of structure. I name it my M1 TC down. Price turned bearish from here. So I was like, cool. If you can see a sweep of liquidity, that is any form of liquidation, I will enter for this setup. You can see this was a clean buy break of structure here. A clean break of structure, leaving imbalance. You get very clean imbalances. So price left a good break of structure. Also, this was my liquidity sweep I was waiting for. You get those areas are my liquidity sweep. So as you can see, price swept the liquidity nicely. You will see now on the 1 minute. Price swept it nicely, giving me a break of structure from this point. After I broke structure, I would have entered this trade for a one-to-one cleanly. Price gave me the one-to-one and then reversed. The second one was another clean liquidity. As you can see from here, price pushed higher, lower high, lower low, then caused an higher high, leaving it to be an higher low now. But as it broke, price later came down to sweep this low, which means now this low is liquidity. As you can see, price did lower low, lower high, lower low. So this high now is now a place for us to take an entry, which I also missed. As you can see, price pushed first for a clean 1 to 2.5, but I missed it because of the same online lecture and I was preparing for test. Then price also give me a second re-entry. It came back to my zone to tap again. Instead of me to take it, I was like, my mind was clouded by the test and online stuff. So I didn't take it. It didn't pay me that day. It paid me like man. So he also went again and hit full TP of 2.75 RR. That's not even the crazy part. The crazy part is that as you can see from here, price gave another liquidity here because this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, then break of structure. So this is under liquidity. As you can see, dragging my zone way further. Let me drag it for you guys. You can see price swept it from this point. As it swept it, what happened? Price did what? price break structure above this high, giving a clean entry. As you can see, it ran for what? It ran to heaven. The thing just dey run dey go. I don't know when dey go. I wish I catch them oh, but we thank God for everything. 4.9 RR. Omo, so clean, very very clean. That's trading for you sha.
So now that we are officially at the end of the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in the journey of life, if no one helps each other, if a man is an island, then he will most likely not succeed. So with your support and help, leaving a subscribe, because that's the only way you can help me like this. Just subscribe. You are doing me very good. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Peace and love, guys.